Assalamualaikum. I'm back again. Okay, today I'm gonna share with you 10 of the things that I no longer do in order to contribute to Mother Nature. Sounds cliche, sounds boring, sounds not important, but I don't care. I just want to share with you. These are the 10 things that I no longer do in my contribution to the Mother Nature. Right, number one that I have stopped using plastic utensils. I don't use any plastic utensils at food court or even at home. I have reduced, and whenever I buy food, I do not request, neither did I take the plastic utensils. Usually I will just return the plastic utensils to the hawker or shop owner. Alright, now number two, I have started to use and to bring my own metal straws and all stainless steel utensils. I have been using stainless steel utensils for more than 5 years now, but only recently that I have added more into the collection when I started to use my metal straws. I got 4 when I bought one time. I got 4. There were about 2 straight straws, 1 straw banded one, and 1 is for the bubble tea. So I've been using and carrying them along with me. And then I also have reduced myself from using blank papers, okay, to write unimportant things like list of groceries. Instead, I use the back of the old receipt to write my grocery list. Sounds simple, sounds silly, sounds stingy, but I don't care. I'm contributing to the Mother Nature. So that's number 3. Now number 4, and before I forget, I would like to tell you that all our documents to operate tuition centers have been uploaded onto the website, and soon all documents will be ready for you to purchase. So if you would like to see what is already available on our shop, don't forget to go to www.woui.com/shop and see what documents can help you in operating your tuition center. Okay, so go ahead and spread the words. And now let's get back to number 4. So the fourth thing that I no longer use in my contribution to the Mother Nature is that I don't buy newspapers for so long already, and I even stopped buying magazines. No magazines. And now I would like to add one more, is that I have rejected a lot of flyers. If I don't need to see the marketing brochure, I wouldn't take. Even though it's given for free, I wouldn't take. Okay, I won't take. So yeah, that's how I control the utilization of papers around me. Alright, so that's number 4 and 5. Now number 5, I turn off my phone every day from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Yeah, unless I need, or I know I have something going on, I would turn on earlier than 8 a.m. But otherwise, I will always turn it off between 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, Why? It seems like nothing, but you must know that Wi-Fi is not good for yourself, it's not good for your body, and I think I can just do that because when I turn off my electronic devices, I reduce the usage of electricity, and that helps the mother nature some way. I do not know how to explain, but I know I'm doing it for good. Alright, and this is a bit feminine, but this is the truth. I no longer buy the 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 sanitary pad. Instead, I have opted for cloth pad. I would say that this is a big transition for me because I'm not used to that, and I can't imagine how it's gonna be. And it also worries me because I have just bought this one. I have not yet used it. It's like I just got mine. I ordered last month, I received it this month, and it's like it has arrived to me like some days ago, so I've no chance yet to wear it. But this is the latest thing I do in order to save the mother nature. Alright, and then number seven is that I have been bringing my IKEA bag, you know, the blue IKEA bag, everywhere, literally everywhere now. It used to be that I always keep one small bag in my handbag in case that I need bigger bag. But now I have made sure that wherever I go, I would bring my own plastic bag. And more further than that, I have actually opted for woven bag. They are 100% natural. They are made of plants. They are organic. Okay, so that's number 8. Alright, so I've chose to bring my own IKEA bag, and I also brought, you know, products that are organic to be brought along. So hopefully in the near future there shouldn't be any more plastic bag with me around. Wallahu alam, I'm still trying. Alright, now number 8, I have simply rejected plastic, which means to say wherever I go, because I have brought my own bags, I rejected the plastic bags they offer, even though it's for free, even though no charges being given on the plastic bags that they provide us with. I just simply reject plastic bag and use my own plastic bags instead, or just the woven bag. Enough. Alright, now lastly, I have also rejected styrofoam. Yep, styrofoam is not plastic, but it's still damaging the environment, so I have stopped using that. And sometimes when I go out to have my own food, I would go and bring my own food container. But again, I would always choose not to have plastic along with me. So those are the 10 things that I have stopped using in order to contribute to Mother Nature. So what are you doing in order to in promoting better living while reducing the use of plastics in your life? So I hope that helps. Once again, if you are tuition center operators and you are looking for documents to ease your way, to ease your daily routine in your learning centers, feel free to go to our website and download all the SOP and all the forms that are relevant to your business. Some of the forms are actually even relevant to the public to use. So it's up to you. Feel free to visit our website, and if you like to read something, you can go to our blog, and you can even suggest books on our blog. Just go to www.woui.com and choose what you wish to have a look at. Till next time, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. See you next time.